Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna kimchi fried rice. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of cooked day-old rice, 1 can of tuna, and 1 cup of chopped kimchi. Also, prepare 1/2 onion and 2 cloves of garlic, both finely chopped. Ensure your tuna is well drained and your kimchi is cut into small, manageable pieces. This initial preparation is key for a smooth cooking process. Next, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and garlic, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly translucent. Then, stir in your chopped kimchi, cooking it for another 3 to 4 minutes to develop its flavor. Finally, add the drained tuna, gently breaking it apart as it heats through. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add your 2 cups of cold, day-old rice to the pan, making sure to break up any clumps so it mixes well. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that essential umami flavor. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly, ensuring the rice is evenly coated. Continue to stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the rice to crisp up slightly at the bottom. For the grand finale, taste your fried rice and adjust the seasoning if necessary, perhaps a little more soy sauce or a pinch of salt. Transfer your delicious tuna kimchi fried rice to serving plates. For an extra touch, garnish each serving with a perfectly fried egg, some fresh sliced green onions, or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Serve it immediately while it's hot and enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.